Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox my personal favorite brand, which is this. So the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato, and I'm really happy that I was able to at least get one in this particular color in Hot Wheels, because in that orange color I bought like two or three. I don't remember now. I don't know, one I opened and one I played with and one I kept sealed because I want to put it in my showcase at some point in time in my life. So again, Lamborghinis are not for sale at all, so please don't ask me that. And yeah, so when I actually see, okay, this one I honestly bought in a DIY shop. The shop name itself is DIY, so it's a very big shop. It has all this tools and all kind of things. More specifically, like directly towards male, I mean guys. So you can go inside and get literally everything there, which is like like shop oriented kind of thing. I bought this Hot Wheels in that shop. Honestly, this is like it's a win-win situation. It's a more guy-focused kind of shop, and they keep Hot Wheels there. And there was this only one piece of this car hanging in the front peg. I just took it. That's it. I'm sorry, I bought it. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks compared to that orange one. Okay, I recently kept one of that orange one back inside a case. Okay, so one more video is actually due, which is the collection video. Honestly, guys, I'm really sorry. I'm not getting much of a time. Even right now, I'm running in a really time constraint, part at this point of time. So I will be doing those videos once mid of February hits, because till first week of February I'm having a lot of functions and family functions, and also I will be concentrating on those. I will be traveling a lot, and so I can't able to do that particular video. So because that usually takes, even I'm going to split it in parts. The first part itself will take some good amount of time. So I need to be in a place at least for I need to sort everything out, and I need to do the video one by one, keeping each one of the one on each box here, and I need to showcase everything to you guys. That is going to take a very good amount of time, and please wait for that. Surely I will be doing that. So okay, let's talk about this casting now. See, personally, if you ask me, I will prefer this color over orange anytime, because as you can see, this is not exactly pure. Okay, this is white. Okay, so I'm just looking through this privacy protector. It feels like kind of a silvery white. Okay, so it does have this painted headlights. Logo placement is okay, but logo is not really good. Let's see. Okay, this doesn't have any tail lights. Okay, so okay, I personally love this specific set of rims, and specifically on a Lamborghini. It looks really cool. You can see the markings here. I mean, the name and everything is 63. That is actually 63 years. And Sterrato. And it same goes on this side as well. And the interior detail looks really good. It does have some scratches on the windshield. I mean, that is pretty standard by now for Hot Wheels. It is actually a Hot Wheels standard. It must have some kind of scratch either on the windshield or any side of the windshield. Okay, it does have some engine detailing here. It is not that much visible, but it is okay compared to the orange one. This one is really better. Okay, it is very light, hopefully somewhere around 28-29 grams, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, told you, right? 27 grams. First time I actually predicted something close to perfect. Okay, so let's do a roll test real quick. It does roll really well. Let's see if it reaches the end. Okay, two tries and same place. Third try. Okay, maybe it will reach the end, I guess. Let's try one more time. Okay, it doesn't reach the end, but at least it rolled till there. And I don't see any wheel wobbling so far. It looks really nice. It's a beautiful casting, and if you guys get a chance to get this one, just go ahead and get it. Even though if you own that orange version, just throw that on, throw that out and get this one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.